Hello everybody, this is Kyle Speed 1 coming to you from the racetrack. Yeah. Well, today I have another finished product from a kit from George Turner's slot car kits. And this one is a Fiat. I'm so sorry, not a Fiat, it's a Lañcia. Lañcia. D24. Lañcia D24. Okay. Freshly finished. Just finished the last details on it. So I've already ran the motor in. And greased and lubricated everything. And I think you're going to be surprised. As I said before, this is a slot car kit from George Turner's slot car models. Now the motor, axles, the crown gear, the motor, and the wheels and tires and the guide were all purchased separately. Okay, but the basic kit with the decals, the details, the driver, and what have you. The phone doesn't seem to be focusing right today. I'm sorry about that. Now, the wheels and tires came from Lañcia kit on eBay, and that's listed as BRM wire wheels. They are aluminum. Okay. The paint is from Vallejo, and it is Ferrari red. Ferrari red. And this is the Maserati that I just finished. Okay. And I think this Lañcia D24 ran in the Mexico circuit back in 1953, I believe it was. And then here's the George Turner kit of the Maserati. And y'all might also remember the Bizzarini by George Turner slot car kit. All of these turned out absolutely wonderful. So, that's enough gabbing. I want y'all to listen to this. Very, very quiet car. Very quiet. Now that's a Predator motor, 2100. Slotted axles, slotted crown gear, BRM wheels and tires. And slot invasion guide. It does have a pod, so you can loosen those 3 screws that are in a triangle and loosen that pod up. You can also loosen up the 2 body screws. Okay, so I am very, very, very pleased with this kit. It's a gorgeous model of the Lañcia D24. And if you haven't already done it, folks, try one of George Turner's models. The cost, I think the kit was like in US dollars. The kit itself from George Turner was like $61. And then you have to tag on the motor, the axles, the wheels, the tires, the crown gear, pinion gear, and a guide. And you're ready to go. So the thing about these cars and why I enjoy doing them so much is you don't see any of the manufacturers, not to my knowledge, making these cars. Okay, so they're unique, they're beautiful, Italian styling and presence on the slot car track, and I can't say enough about George Turner and his slot car kits. They're really nice. The decals come with it. The driver, the cockpit area, or the driver's area comes with it. Many details, exhaust and windscreen and headlight covers and headlights and things of that nature come in many of these kits. So if you're feeling wild and crazy and you want a slot car that most people don't even have in their inventory, I highly suggest, again, George Turner slot cars. Give him a try. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. These are resin kits. So modeler's glue, I use super glue. CA glue, medium. I hardly ever use thin. It's mainly medium, so I can run a bead, and it takes a little while for it to set up. But that's all for now from Kyle Speed 1 slot car track. Y'all take it easy. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.